Good morning, guys. Spring is here, summer's approaching. I thought it'd be perfect to take you through what a productive 6 a.m. day in my life looks like. My body's waking me up earlier and earlier these days, and normally I would sit and wallow, but instead I'm choosing to be productive. I like to say that I strike a good balance between the that girl, hot girl, whatever you call it, morning routine, and then one that's just very real, very me. Somewhat slow, but you know how it goes. 6 a.m., that's a tough wake-up call. So first things first, in case you didn't know, I have horrible eyesight and I have to put my contacts in immediately. Otherwise, I'm just blind. And then if I'm having a good day like today, I will actually wash my face first thing. So it's nice to get all that dirt off of it, you know? If there's one thing about me, I will have vitamin gummies. Yes, I just turned 28. No, I will not take the swallow kind. There's no fun in that. Today is a running day though, and I'm very strategic about the ways in which I intake caffeine. And when I do runs or hikes in the early morning, I love an energy drink. So Alani Nu is my choice. Gloomy out today. What the heck? Pretty. My boyfriend Nick is out of town. Normally he gets to the dishwasher before I do, so I figure I would follow in his footsteps, drink my caffeine, unload the dishes, reload them, do the sink, all that kind of stuff. Mostly just finding any way to procrastinate my run because I'm doing 4 miles today. And it's been a minute since I've done it, but it's time to get ready and put my sunscreen on and all that jazz. But you guys, I'm so excited because this portion of the video is sponsored by Billie, and I'm really stoked to partner up with them because I believe that women's products should be affordable and accessible, and Billie's razors are just that. I have the starter kit, which costs half the price of old school drugstore razors. The shipping's always free, and there's no pink tax, which is the extra amount women usually have to pay for products just because they're pink. With 5 super sharp blades, the shave is super close and smooth. I've never nicked myself or gotten any ingrown hairs. And one of my favorite things about the starter kit is the magnetic holder that you saw on my bathroom wall. It sticks right onto the wall, which helps keep your razor safe and dry. I wanted to demonstrate me shaving my armpits, and oh my gosh, also the whipped shave cream from Billie is kind of out of this world. This product is totally worth the hype, and I need you guys to check it out. Please go check it out. You'll not regret it. Look at this before and after. Stubble gone. Where? Where is she? Not there anymore. It's really soft. It's honestly such a close shave, and it feels so smooth. And I tend to nick myself a lot when I'm shaving my underarms, and that just feels so nice. That application was so smooth. No stinging. Nothing. Nothing is there. If I could just go running in this with my freshly shaved pits, I would, but it's a little cold, so I've got to put a jacket on, unfortunately. So this is for us to appreciate together. Looks good. Now it's time for my workout. I've been running a ton. I really want to train for a half marathon, but if I'm not running, I'm working out in my living room or hiking. I love working out first thing in the morning. I'm definitely flexible and will take classes at night or something like that, but I absolutely prefer to get my workout done first thing so then I can just get ready for the day and I don't have to worry about it. Unless you're new here, you would know that I have one of 2 things for breakfast. It's either protein oatmeal or a protein smoothie, and I have been super hyper fixated on protein oatmeal as of late, so that's what I'm making today. I love Trader Joe's rolled oats, and they also have these individual packets that are really, really good and kind of like porridgey in terms of the consistency. My secret though, I add cinnamon and sea salt, like flaky sea salt. Don't knock it until you try it. It doesn't make it savory, it actually makes it sweeter somehow. Not questioning it. I like to put 1 scoop of this plant-based protein in my oatmeal, and then I add in all of my toppings, which is typically 1 kind of fresh fruit and then 1 frozen fruit, which is most of the time blueberries. Then I top it with almond butter. And this is when I like to sit down and eat and usually watch like a YouTube video, or if I'm watching something on Netflix or something, like this is when I chill and veg out. Because I need that as well in my morning routine. Which, by the way, if you have any YouTubers that you love to watch, please leave them in the comments below so I can procrastinate further. Oh my god, I licked that bowl clean. Okay, it's time for my shower, and I did the shower today, so I actually washed my hair, which is something to freaking celebrate, because I only wash it like once a week, and today was one of those days. A fun fact about me is I live off of caffeine, so it is now my time of the morning when I make my 2nd cup, and I'm surprised if I'm only on number 2. I would probably be on number 3 by now, honestly. Anyway, I love adding all of my milks and creamers and cinnamon into my Nespresso heater, so it like froths the milk at the same time. And I'm always trying to make sure that I'm hydrating, and I just want to show with you guys, like, I make sure to have a lot of water in between all of my cups of coffee. That foam is just out of this world. I usually take this time to then kind of figure out what my game plan for the rest of the day is. So I'll write out my to-do list, kind of all the things that I want to tackle, all of the appointments that I need to make or the people I need to call back, and also like what my film schedule looks like for the rest of the week. I just like to take my morning to kind of write out my to-do list so then I can mentally assess where I need to go next. I didn't have an audition today, but if I normally did, I would take this time to also read through my script and work on that. So didn't have to do that, so we get ready instead. I've been very, very good about actually taking care of my hair and blow drying it and kind of giving myself a blowout. It's really helped with my confidence, because something that I've always been insecure about is my hair, and that I don't really know how to style it myself. So it feels really good to finally be at a place where I feel like it looks good. It looks like I got it done every single time. And a lot of the products I use are affordable, and I'll link them in the description if you guys are interested in checking them out. But it really feels nice, and I feel like a superstar whenever I actually do my hair. Now it's time for makeup. I've been going for a very natural, glowy, no makeup look recently. So really it's just tinted moisturizer, concealer, powder, highlight, some bronzer sometimes. But I've been focusing on the brows and my mascara recently, and I love it. I just want something that's really natural, because sometimes I get auditions and I just want to like look like my face if I spontaneously have to just stop everything I'm doing and film something. So I like having that flexibility. And then it's time to pick out my outfit, and I know for sure I want to wear like shorts or a skirt or a dress, because now my legs are soft and shaven thanks to Billy. I think I'm landing on this white dress, so that's going to be a really cute, easy look to just lounge around in and also run some errands. Ending my morning routine with a little OOTD. So I'm wearing this little white dress that I got from Amazon, and it's very cute. And then this over top, this jean top, is from my mom's closet, and it's originally from Gap. It's like vintage Gap. And then I'm wearing these necklaces. I made this shell one, and then I don't know where this one's from, but a friend got it for me. And then for my shoes, I'm wearing my loafers from H&M, and then these little floral socks. And I feel like this is just such a precious outfit. Yay. And that concludes today's productive 6 a.m. morning routine. If you're wondering if I've had more cups of coffee since then, I have. So I can confirm that. But this was definitely like a good day for me. I'm trying to lean into the good ones as much as I can, just because you never know what's gonna happen, what a day is gonna look like. But when I have control over it, I like it to look like this. So thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. And thank you again to Billy for partnering up with me on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one.